Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on notifications. Now, let's get started. The Prince and Princess of Wales recently brightened the community of Pontypridd, Wales, as they engaged with locals to address the aftermath of severe flooding that had impacted the area twice over the winter. Their visit on February 26th was not just a royal engagement. It was a heartfelt effort to show solidarity with those who had faced significant challenges in recent months. As the nation prepared to celebrate St. David's Day on March 1st, the couple's presence highlighted their commitment to supporting communities in need. Upon arriving in Wales, the royal couple shared a glimpse of their journey with followers on social media. They posted footage of themselves walking on a train platform with the geotag Cardiff, Wales on their Instagram stories. This personal touch allows the public to feel more connected to the royals as they share moments of their lives in a more relatable manner. Their use of social media demonstrates a modern approach to royal engagements, bridging the gap between tradition and contemporary communication. During their visit, Kate and William donned aprons and took part in making traditional Welsh cakes, a delightful nod to the local culture. The sight of the royal couple in the kitchen was charming and served as a reminder of their down-to-earth personalities. While they engaged in this culinary endeavor, Prince William lightheartedly joked that the cakes would be sold at half price, adding a touch of humor to the occasion. This playful banter not only entertained those present, but also showcased the couple's ability to connect with the community through laughter. The preparation of Welsh cakes is a cherished tradition in Wales, often made during celebrations and gatherings. By participating in this activity, Kate and William celebrated local customs while fostering a sense of togetherness. Food has a unique way of bringing people together, and the couple's involvement allowed them to engage with community members in a meaningful way. As they mixed ingredients and cooked the cakes, the royals interacted with locals, hearing their stories and learning about their experiences. Kate, who has recently announced her remission from cancer, seemed to radiate joy and vitality during this visit. Her presence in Wales not only signified her recovery, but also her commitment to continuing her royal duties and engaging with the public. This resilience is inspiring, particularly as she navigates the challenges of public life while managing her health. Kate's determination to maintain her royal engagements despite her health journey exemplifies her dedication to her role and her passion for serving the community. In addition to the hands-on activity of making Welsh cakes, the couple took the time to listen to the concerns of local residents. Engaging with individuals affected by the floods highlighted the importance of community support in times of crisis. The royal couple's willingness to hear first-hand accounts of the impact of the flooding emphasized their empathy and understanding of the struggles faced by everyday people. As the day progressed, Kate continued her tradition of flag-inspired fashion by wearing a vibrant red coat, representing one of the colors of the Welsh flag. This choice not only demonstrated her style, but also her respect for local customs and her desire to honor the culture of Wales. Fashion has become a significant aspect of Kate's public persona, often reflecting her commitment to using her platform to celebrate national identities. The visit to Pontypridd served as a reminder of the royal family's role in bridging the gap between the monarchy and the public. By participating in local traditions and engaging with communities, Kate and William reinforced their relevance in modern society. Their approachability and genuine interest in the lives of others have made them beloved figures, and their efforts to connect with people during challenging times resonate deeply with the public. In conclusion, the royal couple's visit to Wales was not only a celebration of St. David's Day, but also a demonstration of their commitment to supporting communities in need. By engaging in local traditions, such as making Welsh cakes and sharing lighthearted moments, they foster a sense of connection and solidarity. Kate Middleton's resilience in the face of personal challenges, coupled with Prince William's humor, exemplifies the strength of their partnership and their dedication to their royal duties. As they continue to navigate their roles, their efforts to connect with the public remain a cornerstone of their royal engagements. Thanks for watching till the end.